they announced pricing for the Rumble Bees. Do you see how much they are?
The 5.7's like 62 or something like that.
After destination, the 5.7 62. So basically, you got your 5.7, your 6.4, and your Hellcat. The 5.7 is the same V8 you can get for a very long time now.
20 plus years.
Minus a year or two there. It's not any faster. In fact, it has less power because there's no e-torque. The Rumble Bee body, short wheelbase,
It's also lighter because it's less truck.
Yeah.
Short bed, short cab.
So it's pretty lackluster in speed.
Yeah.
Same thing with the 6.4. 5.7 is around about 60 grand. 6.4 is around about 80 grand. And then the Hellcat's around about 100 grand.
It's about where I expect them to be.
Like the 5.7's got cloth manual seats. It's got the smallest touchscreen. It's a base model truck on the inside.
That's steep for
$60-something thousand.
Yeah. I think this is still going to sell better than what they have been trying to do, which is the Hurricane's more powerful. The EV's more powerful. The EV is faster.
I do think it will sell well because
no one buys them because it doesn't matter what's on paper.
It's the other end of the same Tello discussion.
Yeah.
The Tello might do really well in what it's trying to set out to do as being a truck. But when you look at it, you don't go, your heart doesn't want that thing. You look at the Rumble Bee, you're like, ooh, I want that. Even if it is just a 5.7.
That's enough to sell it.
And the payload and towing are lower.
These are the closest we can get to Charger RTs and Challenger Scat Packs and Hellcats just running amok at intersections.
Yeah.
That's what these trucks are for the time being.
Yeah.
Until we get a proper muscle car with a V8 back.
The 6.4 Rumble Bee is a second slower to 60 than the 6.4 in the Durango.
It's also slower than the high output.
Yeah, because it's got less power.
Yeah.
But then the Hellcat version, that 777 horsepower, that's a different story.
They right now offer 7 engines in the Ram 1500.
Do they still offer the V6?
The Pentastar?
Okay, so then the 5.7 is not the slowest, it's the weakest engine that they offer. The Pentastar, 5.7, 6.4, 6.2, and then the 2 high output variants.
Standard output and high output.
Standard output, high output, and the diesel. So yeah, they do offer 7 engine options. And there's probably, 30 freaking models? There's 5 wide body models. I'm happy about it. Don't get me wrong. I'm happy that they're offering this stuff. I have the same problem as I have with basically everything else on sale, is that everything's too expensive. It's why I'm excited about the slate and why I want the slate to succeed.
Yeah.